Introducing Hop, the modular bag system for going from weekday to weekend in a snap. You're finishing up the last email at work before your flight in 3 hours. You pack up your daily essentials and the backpack to head home. The backpack is slim, practical, and super comfortable. And it's just the right size for everything you need and nothing you don't. Just passing by home to quickly pack for your short trip. You like to keep things neat and organized in the shoulder bag. The customizable magnetic dividers give you protection and flexibility exactly where you want it. Then just add the two bags together via the magnetic system. And just like that, you've got your weekday essentials and weekend packables all together in no time. It was a short flight and you breezed through the airport with your one-bag carry-on. Now at the hotel, just unsnap and leave the shoulder bag behind. Take only your backpack and essentials with you. No more hassle of unpacking, and you're on the go again.